Good morning, students. In probability, as we have already discussed, the conditional probability as well as independent multiplication theorem. Okay, P E into E F is equal to P E P F by E and also P F then PE by F. This is the multiplication theorem for two events. Okay, so we had already discussed these theorems, and now we are going to see independent event. So you know very well what is independent events. Okay, let E and F are two events associated with the sample spaces, then they are said to be independent if PEF is equals to PE into PF. Okay, so maybe we had already discussed all these things. Okay, now see an example number 14. So write down. If A and B are two events, if A and B are two events, then the probability of, let A and B are two events, then the probability of occurrence, of at least one of them, A and B, is given by 1 minus PA dash into PB dash. Okay, so let us see. At least one of them, A and B. That means we need to find the probability of occurrence of at least one of them, A and B. So let probability of at least one of A and B, that means what? At least one of A and B means P of A union B. P of A union B. This means what? At least one of them is P of A union B. Okay? A union B. Which type of element in A union B? Either A or B. So that means what? At least one of them. या तो A का होगा या तो B का होगा, इसलिए हमने क्या कंसिडर कर लिया? Probability of A union B. And you know this is nothing but 1 minus P A union B dash, because P of A union B dash, this is also known as P of A union B dash, but here we need to find prove 1 minus P A dash and P B dash. So P A union B is nothing but P A plus P B minus of P A intersection B by the formula of P A union B. Okay, and then P A intersection B. As you know, P A and P B are independent events. You have to write in the question now. P A and B are independent events. So P A intersection B is P A into P B. Okay, P A into P B. Clear? Now you can write it as P A plus P B minus P A and into 1 minus P B dash. क्यों डा? अगर PB है तो नॉट E का क्या होगा 1 माइनस PB डैश. नाउ दिस इज नथिंग बट so first of all at least one of them A and B, that is PA union B, and now using the formula for PA union B, PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. Now PA plus PB, and since A and B are independent events, that's why we can write PA intersection B as such as PA into PB. And now PA, and here in this particular PB and PA into PB, we can take PB as a common. This is 1 minus PA, and you know 1 minus PA, that means P not A. And the probability of not A, that means P dash A, PA dash. So PB into PA dash, and here PA can be written as 1 minus PA dash plus PB into PA dash, and now if PA dash is common, then this is 1 minus PB. So 1 minus PA dash and to PB dash. And this is for at least one of them A and B, where we use this formula. Okay, this is very important formula, most important. How will we use? Actually at least one of them. This means what? PA union B. Okay, but suppose we have given a question that in a race, okay, in a race, 2 horse are participating. Okay, so what is the probability that at least one of them is win? At least one of them is win. ठीक है ना? अब वहां पे क्या दिया रहेगा बेटा? आपको A के विन करने का भी प्रॉपर्टी दिया होगा और B के भी विन करने का प्रॉपर्टी. भाई A विन करे इसका प्रोबेबिलिटी, B विन करे उसका भी प्रोबेबिलिटी. तो आपके पास तो ये दोनों प्रोबेबिलिटी दोनों के जीतने का, तो कैसे निकालोगे एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ देम का, है ना? तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ देम, दैट मींस 1 माइनस PA डैश इनटू PB डैश. जब जीतने की प्रोबेबिलिटी दी है तो हम ना जीतने के निकाल लेंगे, वन में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करके और फट से अपोज कर देंगे, वो इजीली मिल जाएगा. तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, ये क्वेश्चन भले है लेकिन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट यूजफुल फॉर्मूला है, और ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. 5 घोड़े लगा दिए गए, ठीक है ना? There are 5 horses that participating in a race, है ना? Probability of winning first, second, third, fourth, whatever is given. Then what is the probability of winning first and either first or second? तो हमें क्या करना होगा? दोनों के ना विन करने की probability निकालनी होगी और उसको 1 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना होगा. Okay? So that's a very important one. Okay? So note it down. Exercise 13.2, question number first. If PA is given, this is 3 by 5. PB is given 1 by 5. You need to find PA intersection B if A and B are independent events. Which formula you use here? A and B are independent events, so we need to find PA intersection B. So which formula you use? PA intersection B is what? PA into PB. If they are independent events, so PA intersection B is PA into PB. Okay? So you just multiply it. PA intersection B, this is nothing but PA 3 by 5 into 1 by 5. Clear है? So this is 3 by 25. So PA intersection B is, and suppose for independent event you need to find PA union B, है ना? PA union B. So either you use the formula PA union B, PA plus PB, है ना? Otherwise No, that one is not PA plus PB. Actually, you use the formula PA dash PB dash. Find simply. So PA union B is what? 1 minus PA dash PB dash. वही जो अभी अभी बताया. Clear? So note down. Thank you.